Hi everyone, this is Rushi from GVO. Today I want to talk to you about technical interviews. Over the last couple of years, we've interviewed hundreds of software engineers for positions here at GVO. Our interviews involve coding tests, they involve system design questions as well. Today I want to talk to you about a technique that could be quite useful for system design questions. Our system design questions are situational. What that means is we look at your resume, we identify projects that are interesting, and we ask you questions about that project. The technique I want to talk to you today is called the S.T.A.R method. The S.T.A.R method is quite well known. It is used mainly to answer behavioral questions. Questions such as describe a complex situation or a difficult situation at work. This method works quite well for system design and especially situational system design interviews as well. S.T.A.R stands for situation, task, action, and result. The situation involves explaining to the interviewer the context of the project. So this could be a quick introduction of the company, a quick introduction of your team, and what your role was within the team. In my experience, candidates often spend too long talking about the company or the project and too little talking about what their specific role was. So keep this section brief, but focus on what you did in the company. Next, we come to the task. What was the specific task that you were asked to do? Here, you want to be as specific as possible. We are not interested in learning about what your manager did, what your team did. It is all about you. You want to be able to show the impact that you had by clearly describing what was expected of you. So be precise, be clear, and make it very clear what the expected outcome was. Next, we come to action. Action means the work that you did. In system design interviews, you want to talk about your thought process. How did you go about designing the system in question? What were the trade-offs involved? What were some of the complexities that you had to work through? What were some of the learnings that you had as you worked through that project? This is the most important part of the S.T.A.R technique. Here, you want to be very clear about the work that you did. This gives you a good grounding, a good framework to have a deeper technical discussion with your interviewer. It gives you the chance to clearly lay out the parameters of that discussion. Finally, we get to the R. R is the result. What was the result of those actions? How did you solve the problem you were asked to solve? Here, you want to again focus on your impact. Talk to the interviewer about how the project was a success. If you have any quantitative metrics, for example, you improved latency or reduced latency by 20%, you were able to close business with 5 new clients. Give specific answers that showcase your ability. The idea of the S.T.A.R technique is to provide a framework, a scaffolding to make the following questions easier for you. You are laying out quite clearly what is it that you did, what technologies you used, what you learned. That way you can be prepared for any follow-up questions. I hope this was useful. Please let us know what you think, and thank you very much.